Now tell me, you're an academic and you're a psychologist. Do you actually believe that education, Satyasai education in human values can help bring about world peace and unity?
Well, again, peace begins at home. It begins with me, with us as individuals. If we want to have world peace, Sai Baba says so often, you yourself must first become peaceful. As we as individuals become peaceful, then that is what else is society? Society is simply a collection of individuals.
Mm-hmm.
So if the individual is good, the society will be good. If the individual is peaceful, the society will be peaceful. But we can't have ourselves hoping that the world will become good and peaceful and we pass laws and do things like that and not ourselves practice. Again, as an expression that many observers have pointed out, and they say to people, the way you are speaks so loudly that I can't hear what you're saying. And this is just an indication that we can't always just be talking about things. We have to be living that. And so living these values, I think, is the way to bring about peace within, then we'll have peace without.
So clearly, there is a very close relationship between the individual and the social fabric that everybody is a part of. Now, if as an individual somebody commits to practice a human value of their choice, because that's the value they feel is lacking in society, will it not build an expectation in them to expect the same from others around them?
Well, again, one of the things that I think Sai Baba expresses in his teachings is that we shouldn't have expectations of other people. Have expectations of ourselves. We shouldn't make judgments. Jesus said that too. So it's not a case of trying to influence people or trying to impress people or trying to be showy. It's a case of really trying to turn our attention within ourselves and try to look at how we behave. You were mentioning earlier about your daughter and the children looking at us and looking at you, and when you talk about patience and turning the mirror back toward you, are you patient? Are you patient with them? And it's always that kind of case that we have to behave in a manner that is consistent with our goal for what we would like to see all around us. We can't have a good society without if we don't have a peaceful and good society within.
Well, it's been very insightful listening to you, and that's really very profound. Thank you for sharing your time.
Thank you. I enjoyed being with you.
Likewise.
Okay.